book 6 Seasons. Ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is potatoes, lemons, thyme and rosemary, garlic, cayenne, oil, and pepper and salt. The first step is we're going to put the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to take our potatoes and then we're going to remove the roots like this. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 40 minutes. Now that they have cooled down, we're going to crush them with the back of our spatula to make them look like a patty with broken ends so that it gets crispy. Heat up the oil, and when it's hot, add in our potato pancakes. And then when they're almost cooked, we're going to add in the rosemary, thyme, garlic, and cayenne chili flakes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you have fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.